Hey, what's up, everybody? I know y'all saw the update from yesterday. I got some news for you today. I'm Big Russ, this is Project Concept, and this is part 2 of the guitar build. As you can see, it's no longer metallic black. You know, you can kind of see it there. But this is matte ink blue. And you can see, I did my best to tape out my pattern. Most of what's taped off is going to be covered up by the pick guard here, the bridge here, and then my tremolo here. So I basically just left this nice black stripe, and hey, check that out. So, what I'm going to do with you guys is kind of unveil the pattern I'm going with. Now this is all real time. Alright, it's stuff like right there where the tape kind of overlapped. I'm not worried about, because the lace is going to go over this. Alright, so I'm going to have purple lace over black and purple lace over blue. And then we'll come over here and find an edge and peel up this top corner. You had to be the difficult piece. There we go. And, you know, like I said, I'm not overly concerned about this because this may get sprayed purple. Now, the rest of the mask is staying on until this paint cures, which will be probably tomorrow. The lace goes on, and hopefully sometime this week I will have my bits from Guitar Fetish. Minor update from the storm. I got power back just after dark last night, so my AC's been running. I'm much happier than I was today than I was yesterday recording that video. Another thing I didn't show you was I oiled my fretboard and neck. I still got to cut it, but I figured may as well get the bulk of it done now. I don't know if I'm going to paint the headstock or not. I'll probably just oil it. I'm using Formby's tongue oil. This is a low gloss finish. I prefer the low gloss on the neck. It just feels more natural, if that makes any sense. It feels natural. Right now it's a little tacky to the touch, but it's still drying, so that's fine. I will probably have to go in and put another coat on it tomorrow until I get the desired finish I'm after. The fretboard, look at that. I don't think this is rosewood, but it sure as hell looks like it. There's a few little minor issues, like right here on the 12th fret, the upper inlay. It's kind of hard to see, but you know, it doesn't quite fit fit flush. But again, $76 guitar. I don't expect it to be 100% perfect. Like I said, the fretboard actually feels very close to my $1,000 Schecter. And when I say $1,000 Schecter, I really mean it. This is a 2005, 2006 Damien 7. MSRP was $999. Yeah, go figure. You thought $666. But I'm not bullshitting. Look them up. The Demon line, they're about the same price, but you'll pay right around 600 bucks for them. I love the way that guitar plays. Only thing I don't like about it is the finish and the pickups. And the pickups aren't bad. They're They're passive EMGs, which is very odd. EMG is known for their active pickups, but it sounds good. It plays great. I've had this thing for 13 years. I love it. I've put God knows how many sets of Dean Markley strings on it. I have a set of Ernie balls to go on it now. I've got Ernie balls to go on the Tele. So if you guys are wondering what I'm using, Gold Pack, Custom Gauge, Hybrid Slinkies. I love the way they feel. With my basses, I prefer the purple packs of the, I think they're Super Slinkies. I love them. I finally made the switch from my 7-string to Ernie Ball. So, that being said, guys, this is just a quick update, upload, yada yada yada. Hopefully the next video will be unboxing a box from Guitar Fetish, as well as a smaller sub box from another company that actually shocked me. So stay tuned, guys. Love you. I'm Big Russ. Please like and subscribe. Help my channel grow. I mean, I know y'all miss this big beard. The big beard.